Are you ready to discover hidden gems, buried coins, and maybe even a little history beneath your feet? Today, I'm diving into the world of metal detectors. From beginner-friendly SUNPOW, OTMD14, to professional-grade LOLARAN GT1000 that can find relics inches deep. In this video, I'll break down the best metal detectors on the market, highlighting their features, pros, cons, and why they're best for, so you can start your treasure hunting journey with confidence. Number 1 on our list is PANCKY Pk0075 metal detector. The PANCKY Pk0075 metal detector offers 5 versatile modes: all metal, disc, memory, jewelry, pinpointer, and a complete accessory kit for effortless treasure hunting. Its upgraded DSP chip boosts detection speed and accuracy by 25%, while the backlit LCD screen ensures clear visibility in low-light conditions. Key features: 5 customizable detection modes, upgraded DSP chip for 25% faster, more precise target filtering, backlit LCD screen with multi-angle visibility, IP68 waterproof coil, adjustable length and lightweight. Number 2. DR.ÖTEK DET-DROTEK-PRO metal detector. The DR.ÖTEK DET-DROTEK-PRO metal detector features 5 advanced modes: pinpoint, all metal, discrimination, memory, jewelry, including a unique memory mode to isolate specific metals. Its large backlit LCD screen ensures clarity in low light, while the 9.8-inch IP68 waterproof coil detects objects like coins up to 10 inches deep. Adjustable from 42.7 inches to 53.5 inches with 5-level sensitivity tuning, it includes headphones, a shovel, and a carry bag for versatile outdoor adventures. Key features: 5 detection modes, memory mode for targeting specific metals, 3-inch backlit LCD with customizable display and audio feedback, 9.8-inch IP68 waterproof coil, adjustable stem and 5-level sensitivity control. Number 3. SAKOBS metal detector. The SAKOBS metal detector features a 10-inch IP68 waterproof coil, but the control box not waterproof that detects coins up to 10 inches deep, and 3 modes: all metal, disc, and north to identify 6 metal types. Its large LCD screen displays target details like depth and sensitivity, even in low light, while the adjustable 41.3 to 47.6-inch stem suits all ages. Key features: 10-inch IP68 waterproof coil, 3 detection modes for 6 metal types, large LCD screen with low light visibility, adjustable stem for adults and kids, complete kit. Shovel, carry bag, manual. Number 4. SUNPOW OTMD14 metal detector. The SUNPOW OTMD14 metal detector combines a 2 times larger backlit LCD screen and symmetrical handle for enhanced low-light visibility and control, alongside a durable spiral structure and quick lock design for easy setup. Its 12-inch IP68 waterproof coil, but the control box not waterproof, and 10-inch detection depth ensure high accuracy in diverse environments like beaches and forests, with 5 modes for coins, gold, and more. Fully adjustable from 19 inches to 59 inches and backed by a lifetime warranty, it's an ideal gift for adventurers and hobbyists. Key features: 2x larger backlit LCD screen for low-light clarity, 12-inch IP68 waterproof coil, 10-inch detection depth with 5 detection modes, adjustable length for portability, quick lock design and durable spiral structure. Number 5. MINELAB X-Terra metal detector. The MINELAB X-Terra Voyager metal detector offers professional-grade performance with a 4-shortcut system and pinpoint mode for precise treasure detection, ideal for coins, jewelry, and gold. Its intuitive large backlit screen and distinct audio alerts simplify operation, while the IP68 waterproof coil submersible up to 3 feet excels in beaches and streams. Key features: 4 shortcut modes plus pinpoint mode for targeted searches, IP68 waterproof coil, large backlit LCD screen with intuitive controls, adjustable height for adults and kids, complete kit headphones, digger, backpack. Number 6. Bounty Hunter TK4 Metal Detector. The Bounty Hunter TK4 metal detector features an 8-inch waterproof coil for hunting in shallow water, wet sand, and muddy terrains, ideal for beaches and lakes. Its 3 modes, all metal, discrimination, tone, allow tailored searches for coins, jewelry, or relics, while adjustable sensitivity and depth settings enhance target accuracy. Key features: 8-inch waterproof coil for shallow water and wet terrain, 3 detection modes, adjustable sensitivity and depth for precise targeting, rugged design built for outdoor durability, user-friendly controls for effortless operation, lightweight and adaptable for diverse environments. Number 7. hazlewolke Jungler 1031 Metal Detector. The hazlewolke Jungler 1031 metal detector features a 50% larger backlit LCD and intuitive one-hand controls with 5 modes, all metal, disc, memory, jewelry, pinpoint, for versatile treasure hunting. Its 10-inch IP68 waterproof coil and upgraded DSP chip detect coins up to 10 inches deep, while adjustable rods and sensitivity ensure comfort in diverse terrains. Key features: 5 detection modes, upgraded DSP chip for enhanced signal processing, 10-inch IP68 waterproof coil, adjustable rods or sensitivity for terrain adaptability, lightweight, 2.4 pounds with 1-minute assembly. Number 8. Gbnryg M55Z Metal Detector. The Gbnryg M55Z metal detector delivers high-precision detection with a larger coil and upgraded DSP chip to locate coins up to 12 inches deep. Ideal for coins, jewelry, and relics. Featuring 5 modes, all metal, disc, memory, jewelry, pinpoint, and adjustable settings, its collapsible design and 2x backlit screen ensure effortless assembly and operation. Key features: 5 detection modes, upgraded DSP chip for 40% higher accuracy, adjustable length 27 inches to 56 inches, handles 0 inches to 8 inches, and sensitivity dark volume, IP68 waterproof coil, complete kit, digger, headphones, backpack, batteries manual. Number 9. MIYAY QATCQ02 Metal Detector. The MIYAY QATCQ02 metal detector combines beginner-friendly simplicity with advanced features, offering 5 modes to target gold, silver, and relics while filtering trash. Its adjustable stem, 43.3 inches to 60.2 inches, and lightweight design suit all ages, while the IP68 waterproof 10-inch coil and upgraded DSP chip boost detection depth 10 inches and accuracy by 66%. Key features: 5 detection modes, IP68 waterproof 10-inch coil, adjustable stem, and 2.5 pounds lightweight build, backlit LCD screen with depth, sensitivity, and battery display, complete kit, shovel, headphones, batteries. Number 10. LOLARAN GT1000 Metal Detector. The LOLARAN GT1000 metal detector offers a compact, adjustable design, 26 inches to 49 inches at just 2.95 pounds, ideal for beginners with its 3-inch backlit LCD screen and 10-inch waterproof coil for versatile terrain. Its advanced DSP chip and 8 sensitivity levels ensure precise detection of metals up to 10 inches deep, powered by a rechargeable lithium battery with 20+ hours of runtime and power bank compatibility. Key features: compact foldable design, 10-inch waterproof coil for beaches, rivers, and wet conditions, 8 sensitivity levels plus DSP chip, rechargeable battery with power bank support, beginner-friendly 3-inch backlit LCD screen. Thanks for watching. If you're thinking about picking one up, I've added the link in description below with the latest pricing and deals. If this review helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell for more reviews. Got a question or your own experience? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you.